due to the rapid development of the product. Specifications are subject to change without notice. Please note, in order to make this machine acquire the best house, please read the printed manual and videos that saved in USB disk carefully before you do any adjustment. This machine must be operated by the personnel who have been trained up to grade. Before running the machine, check the wooden case for any breakage, such as collision, dumping and other broken. If find any exception, please contact us in time. Open the wooden case, remove all packaging materials. Please check the parts and machine is missing or damaged. Before use this machine, check every transmission part is normal or not. Every fastener is loose or not. After confirming the position of machine, please lock both end casters. Please find the receiving groove assembly and install it on the machine according to the pre-installed holes position. It must have a good ground wire connection. Please check the standards of the local electricity supply grid. The standard is AC 220V plus or minus 10% in 50 Hz or 60 Hz. Please check the cable lines to meet the power requirements of this machine, such as control switch, insurance, wire diameter, etc. The power supply cord must use 2.5 square mm 3-core rubber sleeve line. It must be equipped with the independent input power supply and the power rating is not less than 5 kVA. It must be installed leakage protection switch, more than 5 kVA, fuse socket, 30A, and power sockets, etc. Please check the standards of the air supply. Air pressure is in 0.6 to 0.8 MPa and the discharge flow of air compressor is more than 300 liters per minute. Please connect the diameter 10 mm compressed air pipe to the FRL of the machine. And input dry and clean compressed air. You'd better add air storage in air filter. This will make the machine run more smoothly, stable and last longer. Connect the filling machine with the storage tank. Please check and rinse the pipeline before connecting the delivery pipe to the quick connector of the sanitary pump. It does not allow foreign bodies into the fluid pump when the machine is running. If cannot assure it should be added a filter between the quick connector of the fluid pump and the delivery pipe. The trend of the pipeline should be easy to exhaust the air of the fluid pump cavity body. And it must ensure the pipeline and the connector seal airtight. It should be exhaust the air of the fluid pump cavity body before running the fluid pump if connect the delivery pipe temporarily. Please connect the discharge pipe of storage tank to feed pipe of machine by quick connect clamp and silicone gasket. And it must ensure the connector seal airtight. Tips: the feed inlet of machine is diameter 25 to 38 mm quick connector. Cleaning the machine and the cleaning shall include the pipelines and the surfaces. This video is an exhaust and cleaning procedure designed specifically for hot filling of jelly, gel, or other difficult to clean materials. For other information, please refer to the manual and operation video. How to install pipe fittings. The inlets and outlet can be interchanged on the left and right according to the layout of the production workshop. That is, the inlet CIP inlet are on the right side of the figure, and the sewage outlet is on the left. Check the marks pasted on the pipe fittings. Choose one side as inlet and CIP inlet, and another side as the sewage outlet, as the video show. Exhaust before starting production. Before starting production, open the butterfly valves of the feeding inlet. and the sewage outlet. When liquid flows out from the sewage outlet, close it. This means that the air in the feeding pipe has been emptied. And then click the exhaust button more than 1 second on the touchscreen to exhaust all air in the piston pumps. And then starting production, the butterfly valve at the CIP inlet must keep it closed. Clean after production. Open the butterfly valves of the CIP inlet/sewage outlet. Close the butterfly valve at the feeding inlet to clean the feeding pipe. And close the sewage valve after completion. Click the Clean button for more than once to clean the pump body and pipeline of the machine. More details refer to the manual and other operation videos. Run the machine. Please confirms the electricity, compressed air and liquid are qualified or not again. Open the valve of tank and feed to the pump. Push the main power switch. Press the run button. The touch screen is light and automatically enters the main interface. Please click English and enter into the English interface. Note: Language switch. Click Return to Language switch interface back. Click Other language. Air exhaust. Take the 8 air exhaust hoses out and put them on all of filling nozzles. Touch exhaust more than 1 second to open and exhaust. The water beverage with some air bubble will be exhausted into the receiving bucket. Then touch exhaust more than 1 second again to close when confirmed there is no air in the pipeline and pump. Note: 1. Avoid burns. Please do not press sealing and heating button to heat when exhaust air. 2. If your product sticky enough, such as honey, gel, jam, etc., please follow the procedure below. Put the 8 air exhaust hoses on all filling nozzles. Touch clean more than 1 second to open and the pistons up and down reciprocating continuous movement until your products be transferred to the filling nozzles. Then touch clean more than 1 second again to close. 3. Because the exhaust is realized by the self-flow of liquid. When the maximum liquid level of the storage tank connected to the filling machine is lower than 750 mm, no liquid will flow out during exhaust. At this time, you can click Clean to exhaust. Press the sealing button. The temperature-controlled meter are light and heating the seal parts. It must set the temperature-controlled meter. The general temperature is about 170 Celsius degree. The correct temperature is based on the production speed, the thickness of the bags, and working atmosphere. The preheating temperatures are constant and then produce. Note: we already set the correct sealing temperature according to your sample bags before leaving the factory. You need to adjust a few if you replace new package material. Click Start key after the completion of preparations. The operator can sit in front of the machine, and sequentially put the bag into filling nozzle. The filling nozzle 1 to 4 is station 1/2, and the filling nozzle 5 to 8 is station 3/4, from the leftmost. Insert 4 bags and press the corresponding Start Filling green button, then automatically fill, seal, and drop bags.